We packed our bags to go to Rock Island State Park. Our family is trying to find as many waterfalls as we can this summer.
There's our spot, number 53 in the tent section, Rock Island. All right, y'all got your cot set up. Pretty easy.
I know, I put my blanket on. There any blankie on it?
Gotta put their special blankies on there.
Yeah, I've had this since I was like a baby, so yeah, don't make fun of me, but I call it blankie. And I call it a sheet. Don't make fun of me.
Ellie, you've had that blankie since you were a baby too.
We're hunting in the forest for sticks.
Hunting in the forest for sticks.
Yeah. Is this good?
Back with the firewood. Nice.
Thank you.
And who needs $5 for the camp store? Good job, Elliot.
Yeah.
Good job, Avery.
I can't wait to eat food. I see you at the windows.
This fire's popping pretty good.
Look at my hot dog. Hey, I'm a hot dog man. I know it's
How are the hot dogs?
good.
Yeah?
Crispy, but I can't even taste it over the ketchup and mustard. So I'm like, yum. And I got every kind of chips, and I got a pink Gatorade.
What kind of chips? Oh, all the chips?
Yeah.
Did like a mixture, huh?
Yeah.
I got Cheetos. Hey, how's yours? How's your hot dog?
Phenom.
Yeah?
Phenom.
Phenom. Awesome.
It's a nice metaphor for our marriage. Up in flames.
Okay. Keep going, don't give up.
Good job.
Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. You win!
What'd you say? It is beautiful. Did you guys see this bug?
It's a stick ball.
What do you think about that?
Yep, it's definitely a bug.
The downstream trail, strenuous, use extreme caution. Nice.
I
It
didn't.
said that this trail's dangerous, so maybe the sticks will help.
What are those bears and lions in here?
Not bears and lions, mainly because lions are mostly in Africa. I think there's gonna be some steep areas that we have to be careful.
And there might be snakes.
Yeah, maybe. Y'all ready?
You guys walk down here and be really careful.
It seems like a safe way to go here, yeah.
Daddy, long way.
Warning. Deadly currents. The signs are getting more alarming.
Wow.
Wow. That's beautiful. What do you think, Dave? Pretty awesome, huh? Which one is this?
Twin Falls.
Twin Falls? Nice. Is it a heart? I like it. Oh, that's the Rock Island? That's what it's named after? Wow, sure enough, that is a rock island. Whoa!
This is cool, huh? Look at that hole up there.
What a random cave.
Yeah. What do you guys think?
I think it's made that.
What?
You can see
You think you see
that.
a bat?
Yeah, I think I just. And then a waterfall.
It's a little baby waterfall, but it's pretty, isn't it?
Show me. What'd you find?
Daddy, I found more trash.
Cute.
This one is my favorite.
Oh, cool.
And this one is Mandy's favorite.
Okay.
What do you think, Abe?
I think it's really cool. And I think it's cool that there's a little ledge right here that I'm standing on. And it's really deep right here. And there's a ledge, like a pool that I'm standing on. So I don't go really deep.
It's really cool.
Here.
What?
That's how deep it is right there.
What? Oh.
I fell in! I fell in!
But I got it on video.
Made some progress. We went out to the end of the trail on the way back.
We're really sweating.
Avery got a little dip.
Yeah, I fell into the... Wasn't that funny? No, then I laughed after. It was wet.
It's a pretty trail, right, guys?
Yeah.
What do you think, Elliot? I'm not drinking.
I need to put my stuff down.
Look at this.
I need to put my stuff
A
down.
little cold water in your hat.
I don't have
Weirdly, kind of my favorite part of the trail, other than the cave. Feels good?
What?
We're going to see the waterfall again.
So this is my new favorite waterfall of all time, actually.
I think it's Great Falls. It's gotta be.
I think so.
So, Rachel, I think I know what your grade is, but what do you give this on a scale of 1 to 5?
This is my favorite waterfall, I guess. I guess I'll have to go 5.
5? And then do you want to put like, do you want to call it a classic or something?
Classic? Yeah, sure.
Classic!
A 4 out of 5 because the 4 is the part about the waterfall and me falling in because that was funny.
Elliot, what do you give it?
2,000.
2,000? Breaking the scale.
I don't tell you.
I mean, that's gotta be one of the prettiest waterfalls in Tennessee right there.
Man, you're a lucky girl. You have a good husband.
Thank you. Why is he so good? What
We
did
had to
he...
get the truck for us because our legs hurt so bad.
And we're hot.
Yeah.
Pretty cool little picnic area. We're here at the beach past the campgrounds. There's your boat ramp over to the right. And another little playground for the kids.
3, 2, 1, go.
Only do my legs.
That's Tennessee sand. Sticks, rocks.
What are you doing?
Don't bury yourself. Ellie's getting the I wish I should have practiced it. I'm not trying to tunnel up. Should I do it?
So we got some rain coming in here. We were gonna do some kayaking, but it's looking like the weather's probably not gonna be the best day for that. So we just kind of let the kids swim this beach area. It's like the actual boat ramp is down on the right. But I mean, if you got kayaks or whatever, you can pretty much push off wherever. They say if you go left, you can go up about 43 miles up to Center Hill Lake. And then if you take the Caney River the right, it'll take you up to the falls, which right now the water's a little too low for that. Beautiful state park though. 5 out of 5.
That's a dust tornado.
I want to go.
Look at it, look at it, look, look, look.
Wow,
Whoa.
that is wild.
Isn't it? You want to go?
Yes.
Like,
In
to
it?
How?
Oh.
You,
I didn't know.
you think it's time to throw in the towel on this trip?
Mhm.
No kayaking today?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah. At least we live next to the Duck River, right?
Yeah.
We are gonna grab some ice cream. This is apparently like a trolley stop or something.
Ice cream.
I don't know.
Let's do what we do when you find the box.
Let's eat ice cream at the trolley stop here.
Renee and her friends playing over there.
Yeah, they were nice to you guys.
Yeah.
Little stage over here. Apparently they have bands play sometimes. Pretty cool. No trace left behind, Rachel. No trace.